You are welcome to Mr. English Corner.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Corner, where learning English is fun, friendly, and full of real-life conversations. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm feeling excited. The holidays are coming soon.
Oh, yes. It's that special time of year again. Lights, decorations, family gatherings, and delicious food.
Exactly. So today's topic is talking about holidays and festivals. Learn English for celebrations, English podcast.
Perfect. We'll learn how to talk about holidays, traditions, and celebrations in English, something that's always fun and useful for conversation.
Let's start with a question. Emily, what's your favorite holiday?
I'd say Christmas. I love decorating the tree, baking cookies, and spending time with family. How about you?
I really like New Year's Eve. I enjoy staying up late, watching fireworks, and making resolutions for the new year.
That's nice. So, listeners, what about you? What's your favorite holiday? Think about how you'd describe it in English.
When we talk about holidays, we often use these phrases. I celebrate. We usually spend time with. My family gets together too.
Yes. For example, I celebrate Thanksgiving with my friends. We usually spend time with family. My family gets together to cook and eat.
And when you talk about traditions, you can say, we always decorate the house. We give gifts to each other. We visit relatives and eat together.
Let's look at some common holidays people celebrate around the world.
Good idea.
Emily, 24. Christmas, celebrating love, family, and giving. New Year's Day, starting a new year with hope and joy. Eid al-Fitr, a Muslim festival marking the end of Ramadan. Hanukkah, the Jewish festival of lights. Diwali, the Hindu festival of light and new beginnings. Halloween, a fun day for costumes and candy. Thanksgiving, a North American holiday to give thanks for blessings.
Wow, so many different celebrations. It's amazing how every culture has something joyful to share.
Yes, and it's great for newcomers to learn these names. You'll hear them a lot in Canada and other English-speaking countries.
Let's imagine a short conversation between two friends talking about holidays.
All right, let's do it.
Paul as Mark. Hey, Emily, what are you doing for the holidays?
Emily as herself. I'm visiting my family in another city. We're going to have a big Christmas dinner. How about you?
Paul as Mark. That sounds nice. I'm staying here. I'll celebrate New Year's Eve with my friends. We always watch fireworks at midnight.
Emily as herself. Oh, that's so much fun. Don't forget to make a New Year resolution.
Paul as Mark. I already have one. To study English more.
That's a good one.
Let's go over some useful vocabulary for talking about holidays.
Sure. Here are a few. Celebrate, to enjoy a special day or event. Tradition, something people do every year. Festival, a large celebration with food, music, and activities. Gift, something you give someone on a special day. Holiday spirit, the feeling of happiness during holidays.
Perfect. And here are some helpful expressions. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Have a wonderful celebration.
Now, let's practice some short sentences together. Repeat after us.
Paul. I love spending time with my family during the holidays.
Emily. We decorate our home with lights and candles.
Paul. We always eat special food for the festival.
Emily. Everyone is in a good mood during the holidays.
Wonderful. Remember,
Sharing about holidays is a great way to connect with people at school, work, or in your community.
Yes, asking someone, how do you celebrate, is a friendly way to start a conversation.
And you might learn about new traditions from other countries too.
Exactly. The more you share, the more you connect.
Let's review today's key phrases before we go.
Emily, I celebrate. We usually spend time with. My family gets together to. We decorate our home. Happy holidays.
Fantastic work, everyone.
Talking about holidays and festivals helps you express joy, culture, and community all in English.
Yes, and it's one of the best ways to make friends and feel at home in a new country.
Thank you for joining us today on Mr. English Corner.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite holiday and how do you celebrate it?
We can't wait to read your answers. See you next time.